नम्रता की वॉइस भी अच्छी लगती है सुनने में. So let's go down to Namrata and bring on these two teams on the mat. In the playing seven, but watch this lineup here of the Sonipat Spartans. He's not in the playing seven, but that makes Ankit Rana even more dangerous because 8 matches he's played as a substitute, and in 6 matches he's scored more than 88 points. Well. That's a pretty interesting stat. Navin Sharma and Rahul Lahiri, the set corners there, and Ajay Dochak, Ankit Seherwa, and Sahil to start off the raiding department. As I said, Ankit Rana will be in the substitutions lines, and Ashish and Pankaj Zorawar will be in the covers. Well, with Ankit, I should say, Sunny Lal, Ankit Phogat, and Harsh Paramjeet and Arun Kumar also will be.
Absolutely. गुड मॉर्निंग आपको भी और गुड मॉर्निंग सभी दर्शकों को. 5 जनवरी के दिन रविवार आपके लिए बहुत खूबसूरत हो और खूबसूरत टीम यहाँ पे नजर आ रही है कुरुक्षेत्र वॉरियर्स की. सचिन जगबीर यहाँ पे रहेंगे मध्य में, साहिल अहरी और रोहित नंदल ये जोड़ी है आज कवर्स में. राइट इन और लेफ्ट इन की जोड़ी में नजर आएंगे अक्षय अहरी और अंकित दहिया बाईं तरफ. राइट कॉर्नर पे दीपांशु खत्री और करमवीर मान उनका साथ देंगे लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे. लेकिन 5 खिलाड़ी जो साथ देंगे बेंच पे उनके नाम है सचिन, हैप्पी, हिमांशु, अनुराग, अमित. जी हाँ, ये
each other, both the captains. The toss was flipped over there by Dhanashree, and it has fallen in favor of the Sonipat Spartan non-veg. But I'm sorry that if you idli and kodala curry will be very interesting. Kodal curry, I should say. Kodal in Tamil means intestine. So yeah, I'm sorry, but I'll have to mention that out. And
red out, bonus point, Kurukshetra Warriors. Red out, 1 point, Sonipat Spartans.
First point. I think that we don't even struggle there, Navneet.
जी हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग. और ये शुरुआत मुझे रविवार 365 प्लस 1 कम.
Yeah, Ankit Seherwa is always done really well. Yeah, we will come to the food as another Ankit. Whoa, it's raining Ankits here. Ankit Dhaya now goes in and attacks as a right raider. Attacks Ashish Balwan from the right cover. Has to go back. Oh Lord. Not going back at the right time. Well, it's not navinshori.com, but it is very close to Kovai. Ankit Dhaya very close to the right corner. Attacks Navin Sharma now. Yeah, he's got that little issue, Navin Sharma. Again, the problem of not tracking back at the right time. Oh Lord, again, Ashish Balwan and Navin Sharma, both of them, right cover, right corner, both. How's that? Ankit Dhaya in the Yuva Kabaddi series has got now 48 rate points. But Navneet, I'll tell you what, and Pankaj Zorawar, nice dash. Super tackle. So yeah, as I said, 4 different side dishes, and that was a 4-pointer raid. Oh, it's a super tackle. Ankit Seherwa. Too much, too deep inside, in front of Karamveer Maan.
जी हाँ, फिर से यहाँ पे एक बार देखेंगे और बहुत आसानी से पकड़ लिया. या दोनों टीमों की जो जर्सी है नवीन बिल्कुल सेम कलर की. और जैसा कि हम अक्सर फुटबॉल में देखते हैं कि होम और अवे जर्सी होता है.
Yeah. Hockey में भी है, home and away jersey, yeah, just to differentiate the colors, yes. Rahul Kalirwana again misses out on the ankle. What's happening? Yeah, right. One back hold was nice while I was talking.
और नजरिए की बात होती है. आप जब सोचेंगे वो पूरा इमेजिनेशन आ गया कि जो मछली वाला है, जो मछली पकड़ रहा है वो उदास है, लेकिन मछली निकल गई. यहाँ पे रोहित नंदल ये फंस गए हैं. ये मछली फंस गई है. और
but he
the fisherman this time.
Yeah, but he is happy also. The machli also is happy because you know why? It has lived his life. Because Rohit Nandal has taken a boat place that you will really love, especially Sunday breakfasts. Fabulous place there. And this is a nice block. Beautifully done. Ashish Balwan from that right corner blocks and sends Akshay Ahari once again back on the bench. Yeah, it was as if you're blocking that with a lot of protein. And speak of protein, yes, The mutton side dishes to idli is got a lot of proteins as well in that. They are asking who to go for the do or die raid. Ajay Dochak should go. That's what he said. And Ajay Dochak has come in. Another super tackle situation. Do or die. And the
Let us save.
couple of
2
balls.
points. Sonipat Spartan.
3 times
Just number
the
10
super tackle
and
was
7
successful,
out.
Navneet. And this one, unbelievable.
निश्चित रूप से अनबिलीवेबल। यहाँ पे देखिए अनावश्यक आपको दिखेगा, जब समय गुजर रहा था तो आपको इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी।
Upton, change the code.
बेस्ट रेडर फिलहाल तक 8 पॉइंट के साथ और साहिल अहरी बेस्ट डिफेंडर 4 पॉइंट के साथ।
And also the problem with the Sonipat Spartans is, Navneet, that
25 और 20।
Yeah, now watch that left corner. I wanted to see Rahul Kalirwana going in for those ankle holds.
1 point.
Slightly taller than Surendra Nada
Out.
for the ankle holds. But look at this. For the attack on the right cover. Ashish Balwan doesn't backtrack.
बहुत आसान हो जाएगा।
लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा ब्रॉडकास्ट हिंड्रेंसेस है, उसमें थोड़ा एक मुश्किलात है जो मैं आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में बताऊंगा फॉर पीपल आल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड। यस, इट्स अ गुड आइडिया, बट मैं वो बताऊंगा। डू और डाई रेड। अजय दोचक रन्स इन डीप, यूजेस द लॉबी, होपफुली
1 point. Reject the Warriors.
hopefully was inside the lobby is what I wanted to say, but he's gone out completely. Oh Lord, Ajay Dochak, you did so very well. You got the touch. The defender also accepted it. But then, what have you done? Why do you have to take, probably getting delayed or getting late for people to actually do it very spontaneously? So the best idea is, whenever someone goes out, like that.
Leader out. 1 point. Kurukshetra Warriors.
Yeah. Now you have the time to say who's revived from the Sonipat Spartans. That's all.
Right.
Yeah, there you say dash from Sachin.
ऐसी फैमिली की बात करेंगे जिसकी जो फेस होते हैं वो लॉन्ग होते हैं, डॉग के जैसा, तो वो होते हैं नाक वाले, नोज वाले, तो उनके लिए
अच्छा।
नोज इम्पोर्टेंट है। और जब आप आई को, और यहाँ पे देखिए आई बिल्कुल हमारी सही है, यहाँ पे निकल गए। बहुत सारे अगर विजिबल चीज दिखेंगे, जैसे बहुत सारे ग्राफिक्स दिखेंगे, तो हमें कंसंट्रेशन करने में दिक्कत हो सकता है।
Review.
और हमें प्रोड्यूसिंग टीम से भी बोला जाता है कि जब रेफरी बोल रहे होते हैं तो आप चुप हो जाइए, ताकि दो वॉइसेस क्लैश होंगे तो भी दिक्कत होगा। तो इसमें बहुत सारी
Correct.
थ्योरीज है और छोटे छोटे चीजों को हमें ध्यान देना होगा।
Exactly there. Navneet, that is what they were saying, their coach Ravinder, that we will play without the bonus. We will play with only 5 defenders. I think Akshay Ahari went in deliberately to cut the bonus
Leader
off.
save. 1 point.
And I think
Just number 20 out.
the thinking was right, but when you are having a defense of 5, you need to have Mr. Rohit Mondal coming. Raider comes in. Oh, do or die raid. Ankit Zerva, he needs a point.
Leader save. 1 point. Sonipat Spartan. Just number 2 out.
A definite India 1 Kabaddi Kamal moment here, Navneet.
जो हैप्पी हुए हैं सैड, लेकिन ऑपोजिशन यहाँ पे हैप्पी हुई होगी।
Yeah, true to the kick. Yeah, and that was so quick, isn't it? First division match, and can this be a tie? Is what I called for. Super tackle situation. Tie. Tie as of now. As of now,
Leader
it's a
save.
tie.
1 point.
Ankita
Sonipat
rolls
Spartan.
over,
Just number
tumbles
7
over,
out.
with 34 apiece. Another raider will come in, will play a safe raid. They will settle in for 3 points each. Navneet, I said this when the points table was on, and now don't tell me 40 minutes earlier, whatever I just said.
वो थे सुपर टैकल्स, 3 सुपर टैकल्स। अजय दोचक अभी भी बेस्ट रेडर रहे हैं और राहुल एरी बेस्ट डिफेंडर।